Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by invoking the Sticky Keys dialog so you can act fast. Press the Shift key 5 times and the accessibility prompt appears. Once done, open Settings with Windows +I, then navigate to Accessibility and choose Keyboard. Make sure you are signed into an account with permission to change system preferences. If not, sign in or use an admin account. This first step reveals both the on/off toggle and the shortcut options, so you can stop sticky keys right away. Now remove the feature and its triggers so it cannot return unexpectedly. Toggle sticky keys off in the keyboard settings, then immediately uncheck the option that lets the Shift key shortcut enable it. Make sure to also turn off any visual or audio indicators if those are bothering you. This is important. Disabling the shortcut prevents inadvertent activation, and turning off indicators cleans up notifications. Save settings and verify they persist. If they revert, continue to the next step to enforce the change. Finish by confirming the feature is off and then apply fixes if it isn't. Test by pressing Shift 5 times and typing combinations like Ctrl + Alt + Delete to ensure modifiers work normally. If sticky keys reappears, restart the PC and update or reinstall keyboard drivers, because driver conflicts can restore accessibility defaults. On Mac OS, go to System Settings, Accessibility, Keyboard, and switch sticky keys off. If problems continue, create a new user to isolate
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.